Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. And yes, we have been missing in action. So we haven't done a lot of videos in the past few months, and some health issues going on with the husband, and just haven't had time. But I plan on getting back into it, and have some really pretty tutorials coming up for you for a bracelet. If I can find one, I'll show you amongst the many that I have. But today's video is going to be the, let's see if I can find, 10th anniversary with Bead Bargains. They did bundles, seven-day bundles for their 10th anniversary, and it was a huge bundle sale. And this is their first bundle, the first day bundle. So I'm going to show you that, and if I can find that bracelet, I'll show you which one I want to make. But of course, I'm not going to find it anyway. Let's see. Okay, so I'm not going to find it, but it is a gorgeous one. So much stuff. Okay, here it is. Here's it's like a Christmas one I made. But this video will be my next video. Looks like this. Very pretty. Here's another colorway. Another Christmas one. Works up really quickly. So there you go. Just going to move on from there. I have a lot more to show you that I've been working on, and I'll do that at the end of this video. So let's see. So today is July 18th. It is actually my birthday, and I was out eating. I was getting crabs, which is a famous food here in Maryland. Steamed crabs. We die for them. Not kidding. And so I came home, checked my mailbox, and look at my birthday gift I got. Right on time. Can you believe it? Best birthday gift ever. So let's open and see what we got. Okay, get that out of there. Let's see. I don't know if this one has a name or not. I don't know if they're doing that. Oh, they don't have all. Are they numbered? Well, let's see. So this is called the anniversary sale bundle number 1, and it is the sand and surf bundle. So let's see. Of course, you know, forget what's in it, but let's see what's in it here. Take a look-see. It's heavy. Here's some extra goodies that I ordered. See the free gifts. Gotta love their free gifts. Let's see what this is. So this is Find number 2870. Little panda bear charms, pendants. Let me put my glasses on so I can see if you're seeing it. Look how cute that is. And I just love some panda bears. So cute. And then I got these ear wires. Ear 264. You can see that. I won't take that out. Got those. And pendant 3203. I'll take this up because I know it's going to be so pretty. Look at that. I should zoom in a little more. Look how beautiful that is. Rose gold finish. That's a beauty. Put that right there. I love this pretty bag. It's a pretty organza bag. Okay, so they're all marked. Okay, good. Just, there's a lot to go through, so let's see. Amazonite. Beautiful pendant. It is faceted. And it is gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm going to try to go through really quickly here. Oh, these are cool. So these are the sand dollar charms. And I'll leave one in there. You got 4 of these. They're really cute. And here we have 4 mil round Amazonite beads. These are super pretty. And again, this was their first day anniversary bundle of the 10-day bundle. And I hope you got it. This was my favorite one. I got this and 2 others. And again, this is what the sand and surf bundle. Oh, I like these, the little fish. Come on. Get a couple of these out. These are super cute. Super cute. And I already know what I'm going to make with this bundle, which I'll show you at the end. Some nice jump rings. Can't have enough jump rings. Just leave that there. Don't need to open that up. We all know what they look like. These are pretty. 4x3 crystal rondelles. It's a matte finish with some AB on there. So we got that. And these are really cool. The hammered fan pendants. You get 2 of these and they're big. These are so pretty. Look at that. These are just gorgeous. Really nice. Love this. See what else we got here. Oh, I love these. So these are the bicone beads, spacer beads with that patina finish on it. Love this. And next, I won't take these out. These are the bales. You get 2 bales in there for the necklace, pendant, and these are pretty. 4 mil flower Amazonite Heishi beads. Heishi beads, Heishi beads. Everybody says it different. So there we go. Look how pretty that is. Just love the different variations and colors. Just gorgeous. Look at that. And oh, I actually needed these. This is, yep, freshwater shell chip beads. I sure did. And these are very nice. Look at that. So we got that going on. And we got some of these, some 6-piece shell charms. These are really cute. I'll just take a couple out. These are really pretty. Really nice. So if you're new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video, and welcome. See what else we got here. I'm trying to go kind of fast so I can show you what I've been making. Fossil Carl tumbled nuggets. Whoops. There's my background there. These are pretty. Look at that variation in colors. Definitely looks like sand on the beach. Love it. Okay, another pretty one. This is going to add some more texture. Amazon matte round beads, 8 mil. Get that. Can I put you at? Around there. Let's see what else we got here. 2 more items. This one I don't need to open. Little spacer beads. They are nickel free spacer beads, 3.2 mil, and you get 100. So we got that there. And this is the mixed pack that you get. Glass bead mix and sandy seashore. So this is going to be great for the project that I'm going to make. Ooh. Get some of these out. So there we go. You have little fishies in here. It's cute. A little fish. A little starfish there. And you have some really pretty different color beads. Some really sparkly beads. I love this. Look at that. Just, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was out of frame. A nice different variety of textures and colors. This is going to be great for my project. Where can I find a space for this? I'm going to put it right here. I think I'm going to have a bit of a mess with those tiny beads. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that's everything in the #1 anniversary bundle sale for Bargain Bee Box. This was their first one, so it's gorgeous. Hope you had a chance to get it. Really pretty. Oh, I can't wait to make what I'm going to make with it. So here's what I'm going to make with it. What I've been making here are these, and they're up in my Etsy shop, the Beaded Jewel Store.etsy.com. So I've been making these right here. Isn't this gorgeous? This one's a stretch bracelet, and then we got all these charms on here. There we go. And so that's what I'm gonna do with maybe the little fish, starfish. Use them for little charms to dangle from the bracelet. But look how cute this is. So put that on the side there. Well, I'm just gonna lay it on top, I guess. I'll just lay it there. Here's another one I made. Isn't that pretty? I love these colors. The sand with the pretty blue. So there's another one. And here's a brighter color one. Look at that. Pretty. The little charms hanging down. This one's on wire. I did this on wire. So, just love that. And then here's kind of like a fall color one. Let's see. It's a lot on this one. Pretty. So I have some check glass beads. And just all kind of stuff on this one. Really pretty. Gorgeous. And a couple more here that I made. I've just been really kind of going crazy with making these. And this is what I needed this for. I need this to kind of fill in for the shell here so I can make more of these. But how cute are these? So like that. And I've been making a lot more stuff, but I also still make these, my spiral bracelets, the Russian spiral. And the tutorial for this is on my YouTube channel. And I didn't show you this one. Here's another one on stretch cord. It's a stretch bracelet. Isn't that pretty? So here's another purple one kind of I made. And now I got a big mess. And just a lot more spirals, Russian spirals. I love to make these. I have kits in my Etsy shop that are very popular if you want a kit to make them. So I think that's it. I think I better stop because I could just go on and on. And that's it, folks. So I'm gonna play around with my bargain bead box beads here, and I think I'm gonna make another one of these bracelets. That's what I'm gonna do. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Let me know if you got any in the comments. I would really like to know how many of you got this one. I have 2 more coming also. So that's it. Look at this beautiful beach colors. Wow. And that pendant, huh? Look at that. So that's it. I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. And don't forget to watch the video all the way to the end. It will greatly help me out. And it's free to do. So take care, everybody. Hope you have a great day, great weekend. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.